Dímelo, mi gente, Mark Cuchilla again, and today we're going to be talking about dogs. Dogs is a meme coin on Ton, otherwise known as the Open Network. This is a meme coin that is probably associated with the Notcoin people as well as Pavel Durov. I'm going to talk about why that is and why that may be. At least they have a little bit of collaboration, but this is one of the meme coins I had huge hopes for, as well as I had huge hopes for Ton and, the whole Ton ecosystem or Telegram ecosystem. But so far, it has not gone so well. The coin is down 97%. As always, this is a subscriber coin, so thank you to my main man, Dean, as always, for providing me great coins that I can research and provide for you guys, as well as thank you so much, Dean, for the super chat. It really does mean a lot from the bottom of my heart. You're the best subscriber I have ever had. Not to say other subscribers are not great, Manu, Angie, Mili, everyone else. So don't get me wrong, but you are, as far as like the whole encompassing list, you're one of my favorite ones. Anyways, this is dogs. So dogs started off around, almost $800 million in market cap, and it has since then come crashing down to 0.000484. As well as it's down 97% all time. So yeah, not really looking too good, but I will say from the all-time low, it is up 84%. And we can see here, this person, Naved, I guess he does TA or she does TA, I'm sorry. They said smart money isn't letting it go any lower. We just printed a new higher low while the rest of the meme sector was bleeding. That's relative strength. So I don't know, I'm not the most TA person. You will see my thoughts at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. As well as if you want me to cover any other coin, let me know in the comment section down below. If not, just like it, subscribe, whatever it may be. So yeah, let's just get right into it and straight into it. They have a lot of holders, I will say. Like, that is something, kind of unique to the whole Telegram or Ton ecosystem, is that a lot of the meme coins have millions and millions and millions of holders. Now, I do not know if those are bots, if those are real people, if those are, whatever may be, different wallets, who knows. The thing is that they do almost have 5 million holders. And as well as I will say, let me just see if I could find... So this is Pavel Durov's wallet. And if you see here, we have the tokens. He does have dogs. I will say, though, he doesn't have that much. He has 2,213. Then it is like barely 1 cent. So this is probably sent to him. But if you see here, some of the big tokens that he does have is Notcoin. So Notcoin and dogs kind of like working together, and you'll see why. So this is our website. It's an okay website, but it says the first and favorite Telegram meme coin on Ton, 5.5+ million holders. I don't know if that has gone down or what might have happened, but it does say 5 million holders and then 50 million app users and a Guinness World Record. And I want to talk about the Guinness World Record right now. So they said, we did it together. The world witnessed the strength of our Telegram family through an epic drone display. And yes, we broke the Guinness World Record, marking a milestone for mass adoption. The Guinness World Record that they did break, it was the largest aerial display of a bone formed by multi-rotor drones, is 1,498, and was achieved by the original LLC, which is Dogs, and Notcoin LLC, both St. Vincent and Grenades, and the Lumansky unmanned aerial vehicle in Dubai, and it was done in Dubai. So we're gonna see what that air drone looked like. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I was there in person because that looked amazing. So just for that, leave a like and like the other video too. So I'll obviously leave it in the description down below. You know me. So right now, Docs has about 3.1 million followers on Twitter, which is what we want to see. We want to see above 1 million. It says, welcome to the home of Docs, the king of meme coins on Ton. And I will say before I start off, they don't post that often, right? This is pretty cool. It says from travel to games, pay in seconds with Docs. But from their Twitter, it says throwback to when Dogs community went to local animal shelter to deliver food and medications to support those in need. So obviously, I will leave this video too so you can watch it. Let me just like it and repost. But yeah, a little bit more about the website. It says where to buy, so you could buy it. They're almost every single big exchange. So Binance, Kraken, Bybit, BitGet, KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, DDoS, Stonefy. This one is Ton Wallet or something, and Change Now. They have donated almost more than $500,000 so to Best Friends Save Them All, Save an Orphan, Save the Children, World Child Cancer, and Animal Charity Evaluations. So if you want to receive, it looks like the rounds have closed up, like the applications have closed up, but you can put your email definitely, and they will let you know when the next rounds are going to open. Also, if you have an idea for anything in regards to dogs or the community or whatever it is, you can leave your ideas here. Got a project in mind, sport, charity, or collab? Share what you're planning and we'll help you bring it to life. So that is pretty cool, right? And you could apply to get 50,000 dogs, which 50,000 dogs, how much is that? 50,000, huh? $2. Still good. It's still donation that you could give out, right? There's still something that you could provide for whatever, sporting event, charity, whatever collaboration idea that you want. So I think that is pretty cool too. They also have some sticker packs. The sticker packs, right? They have 104,000 monthly users. So that is pretty cool, as well as you can spend it in Travala, Coinsbee, Binance Pay, Amazon, Netflix, Uber, Steam, Nike, Airbnb, Tinder, Foodora, and 4,340 more. So that's what I like about teams, or that's what I like my memes to do, right? Be able to, have utility, be able to use it. They also have like these, cool merch, dogwear, whatever it would be. They have keychains, stickers, whatever. They have a nice hoodie. It looks pretty cool. Hats. I personally wouldn't get it, but I like when, they do kind of these things. As well as they have packs in all over the world. So they have in the UK. This is, I think, Turkey. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this is Turkey. This is South Korea too. So there's communities all over the world. You can see dogs, the flag, everything else has been all around the world. I will say though, with the thing in AI, right, you don't know what is fake and what is not. But I would like to think, that they are a pretty legit team and these are, legit videos. Anyways, where do I think this is going? This is personally not something I am really too interested in, personally, but I wouldn't fault you, if you like the community, like I said, right? Like if you like the community, if you're invested, if you contribute anything, if you're making content, if you even like the community, you don't even have to make content. If you do whatever, if you are involved in the community, if you are involved in dogs, this is something that at least it looks like they are being proactive instead of, just not doing anything, not tweeting out, not getting more users. They even have a Guinness World Record, which is pretty dope. So I don't know. This is something I personally wouldn't be invested in, but I will understand for those people that are. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want me to talk about any coin that you kind of want, let me know in the comment section down below. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.